journey begins at the Busan Diamond Tower. Located on the scenic hilltop of Yongdusan Park, this observation tower has long been a beloved symbol of the city. During the day, it offers sweeping views of Busan's skyline and coastline. At night, its dazzling lights create a magical atmosphere. Once known as Busan Tower, it was renovated and reborn as the Diamond Tower, a favorite spot for tourists and locals alike. The video then takes you to the bustling Yogalki market. As Korea's largest seafood market, Yogalki is often called the kitchen of Busan. Though the building has been modernized, the energy remains the same. Lively vendor calls, rows of fresh seafood, and the spirit of the people all bring the market to life. It's a place where tradition still thrives amid change. From early morning to night, Yogalki reflects Busan's deep connection with the sea. This is a city where history and modern life meet, and where every corner tells a story. Enjoy this unique perspective of Busan from above, as seen through the lens of a drone. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to obtain the necessary authorization before flying a drone in South Korea. In many locations, filming also requires permission from the Ministry of National Defense Republic of Korea Army. Let's get started. Later in the video, we visit Yogalki Market, not just a place for seafood, but a living symbol of Busan's maritime culture. Behind the vibrant stalls and the scent of the sea lie generations of people whose lives have been deeply connected to the ocean. One of the most iconic sights here is the Yogalki Ijema, the hardworking women who have been selling fish for decades. Their presence brings warmth and authenticity to the market. Yogalki Market is more than a marketplace.